Who are you?
I am Bob Ross.
Ross.
That's amazing! That actually makes so much sense! That's really good!
Alright. Are you boys ready?
I'm ready. After this round, I'll have to hop off.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright. Nice.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. I forgot. I
All
forgot
good
the dive
tactical
for me.
hits. SMH meta.
Sorry.
Alright, time to retry LBLJ.
Okay, I missed the bomb!
No! Mario!
It's okay. World record is still on the table, Barinade.
This is all part of the experience. Gotta have room for the next PB, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for real. Why did I move the camera?
How come I'm losing so much speed? This is really bizarre. Somebody's stealing my speed! Was it Bowser?
I cannot tell you how many times I've heard kids talking about the Mario movie. Koopa the
Okay,
Quick
there
has a
we go.
skateboard.
Really? Did they enjoy it or are they memeing it?
No, I mean, these are kids 1st through 5th grade. They absolutely loved the movie.
Okay, I figured, but I mean, I don't know what kids these days be up to. They could love their memes.
Dude, it's Mario and Naruto. Those are the interests of
okay.
kids.
Go. I jump in the dark world.
At least you're in there.
I might be able to do the slide stars in this case.
Yeah, that could work.
Providing I don't mess up once or anything.
Dude, Koopa Quick having a skateboard on his back is amazing.
Wait, what are you the skateboard?
Blizzard and I have a mod downloaded where shells are skateboards.
Oh, what? That's sick. Okay, alright. I've warmed up. It's from all this Breath of the Wild. That's what's screwing me over, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Gotta rub off the rust.
Okay, do I do any fancy shenanigans with the key, or is it just stars?
The
You
key
can,
is
like-
gonna be an exit to castle.
Yeah, just wait till the animation plays.
Yeah, you should be able to just like sit under the star paused. Or sit under the key while it's bouncing, paused, and waiting for the exit to castle.
Okay. Plugging my heart controller was a bit weird, but I found it.
Already saving us time with Bowser throws.
Let's go.
Listen, man.
You guys struggle with the throws.
Well, I do all of them,
yeah,
but...
I don't even touch Bowser.
Okay, I will go to the slide.
Yeah, I think you'll still
Yeah,
do
yeah,
slides
I
in
think
this.
you can do slide.
Okay. Dude, my brain is firing on, like, cylinders I didn't even know it had.
My attention is like so split.
Is it? Dude, I'm just focused on what I'm doing, I'm gonna be real.
Yeah. I'm trying to learn the route.
go.
Meta, please tell me you messed something up.
No, I didn't.
Nah, he's a gamer. He's chilling.
I just like
Oh
gasping.
wait, I have 12 stars. I can just do the wing cap now.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do it. Okay. I'm
True.
taking it.
Okay.
I didn't think we'd have this many stars.
Well, I mean,
I guess it does depend on.
You keep flying through that first textbook. What? That's so
Yeah, I forgot to mention that.
weird.
alright, if I'm not doing that, then I'm ready for JRB. Where
Yeah.
you at, Meta?
Just
Okay.
finish ship clip, so you're good.
Okay, sweet.
Dude, that threw me off. Does that
Huge
mean I can
timing.
complete the entire stage with those text boxes just floating?
Yes.
Yes.
So Luigi did that, I think.
Yeah, and then he realized that you can't roll out of the dive with the text box open.
Oh, okay, okay. Good to know, good to know.
Dude, the skateboard poking out of the clay.
I accidentally forgot about. Okay, I'm good. There's muscle memory, man. Okay, SSL time. Let's go, dude. This is so weird. How are we already at 15 stars? This feels crazy.
It goes so quick.
It's much more fast paced because there's a lot of. With more people, there's even more decision making.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, prediction. How many attempts to get pillarless? Do you think it'll work out first try?
I'm
feeling
giving it
attempt
2.
Yeah.
Dude, I got Mips here as well, by the way.
Yes.
Okay.
Did I not put that on the list?
Probably not.
No, but I think normally I wouldn't be here with 15 stars.
Oh, that's true. That's both MIPS that'll be spawned in.
No,
Yeah.
the second one's at like a lot more, I think.
No, second one's at 15. Isn't
Alright,
it?
plus baby.
No, never mind.
No,
Second
the
one's
first
at 50.
15. Yeah.
I don't need to join you.
Where am I going? Alright.
Yeah, I don't know.
Cool
Look at your route, dude.
I'm looking!
I may have typed it. I don't know what I typed. I was at work focusing very hard on work things when I typed
Right.
that.
Oh, this is so weird.
Alright, Meta, I've got slide.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you're still in.
Yeah,
Okay,
I've still got Jetstream and box.
And this takes me back. I haven't done this in an AR 120 runs. I feel like I'm playing 16 star again.
You did
You know,
Penguin
the
in a few
CCM.
of the early ones.
Maybe. It's just been a long time.
Whoa, the hands don't have a text box.
Oh,
Oh.
I
Yeah.
forgot about that. Is that
Dude,
a
there's so many weird things.
is that a language difference or?
No, it's just this game difference.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is a this thing difference. It has a these hands have a really long text box in English and then a short one in Japanese. But this port of it or whatever doesn't have like any text box.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, Meta, where you at?
I'm coming in. You can start.
Alright, sick. I'm grabbing the first red.
Okay, cool. Let's carry it. Got my exit course. Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh!
Oh no! Not a good time for my foot to start wanting to cramp up.
8
Wait a
left.
minute, you okay?
Yeah, I
6
was
left.
sitting on it.
4 left. Two left. Nice.
Perfect.
Good work.
Okay, I'm starting to understand why you guys side flip more.
Yeah, it's a tough timing to hit consistently from underneath.
These are hard, man.
Alright.
Did you do wall kicks?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm
Okay.
out. Alright, I'm Oh boy.
B.O.B.
Okay. Yeah.
Pillows, baby!
Let's
Let's go.
Hey! That was clean. Alright, third try, not bad. Saving time.
I'm gonna grab the coins under the bridge, meta. I'm pretty sure
Okay.
you can just re-grab them anyways, but
I think in that instance you'd be the one re-grabbing. I think it depends on like who's spawned in first and if the other person was spawned in at that time. I missed the split
Okay.
for 30 stars. I don't know how useful splits will really be in this. Alright, I'm in.
Oh, I keep dying. It's. I have one life. I have to be careful.
Oh, this is cursed. I just have wings growing out of my afro.
Classic Bob Ross.
Gonna have you grab more of those logs, Blizzard.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, actually, I'm gonna grab all but one because you still need to make sure you're not grabbing it in the air.
Yes.
Dude, seriously.
Yeah, I guess grabbing it in the air does just send me to the ground, doesn't it? Alright, I'm in.
Okay. The one nearest to the corner without the fence is the one that's left. Alright, meta. If I'm going to DDD, I need to do a star.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna do that.
I mean, do you?
Oh, I guess I don't. I can just start.
Dude, that exit course thing is so hilarious.
Alright, I'll start DDD 100 then. We're 12 minutes in and I'm already at the hardest start of the game. Okay.
The exit course will be really nice for TTC because it always lines it up to have the clock stopped. Because it's
Ooh, okay.
like a death animation.
It actually does change how I have to play, I think, like 2 of the stars, but that's fine. Only by a little bit.
Okay, I go down to...
You can make it in for...
I'm joining DDD.
Okay. You can make it in for moving if you side flip and dive in.
Oh, okay. I'll have a look once I'm actually there.
Yeah.
Alright, so...
It's hard to...
Slight route difference since... It seems... I overloaded Barinade's area. Since I had him in BBH by now.
Yeah, I don't know what you're...
Hey, you know...
Yeah, I appreciate the roaming.
I can't hit every calculation on the spot.
Well, this is what this is for, you know? We're finding out. How
Yeah.
is this guy alive?
Meta 32
Sorry.
left.
Alright, I just need to get to 70, right?
68.
Oh, we're
Yeah,
set.
front sub's actually impossible.
Yeah, we've got plenty here.
Rare me messing up front sub. Let's
Oh,
try that again.
I don't have plenty. Oh, I do. I've got just
Alright,
enough.
nice. Alright, nice.
Alright, I'll speed up. There's gonna be some good fast stars in Lethal Lava Land.
Yeah. Alright. Blizzard, if you want to do sub.
Okay.
I'm gonna do Jetstream and then I'm gonna go to Vanish Cap.
You're gonna go to Vanish Cap.
Yes.
So you'll do Vanish Cap, Barinade doesn't have to. Got it.
And then you'll
Alright.
I'll probably have you finish off DDD then.
Okay.
DDD Jetstream is impossible. I hate this star.
That's my least. DDD Jetstream is my least favorite star in the entire game.
It's just so weird.
I'm doing Fire Sea.
Okay.
GL Fire Sea.
You?
Oh, I forgot. I need to remember to do the exit course thing. I
It-
just like get in the zone, and then I'm like, yeah.
It's a tough
Yeah, no,
muscle memory to form. But once you do, it's kind of like instinct.
Yeah, he's gonna break his muscle
No.
memory for the actual game.
No, that's impossible.
True.
This feels too. Oh! This feels like a very slightly different game, almost. This feels like Mario in a fever dream. I don't know, it's really bizarre.
Mario in a fever dream.
Alright, Lethal Lava Land. Oh my god.
Ooh, ooh.
I'm learning. It's great.
Almost just exited course on that star. That would not have been good.
It's too much muscle memory.
Yeah.
All right. I'm starting BBH,
Lock.
Okay.
and then we may. Barinade, let me know when you're out of LOL.
Why do you have him doing Metal Cap? Shouldn't
I-
one of us just do that?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I
If one of
initially
these
thought
already in there.
I
Yeah,
initially
no,
thought
don't do
those
Metal Cap.
were just gonna be like super fast stars. I thought SSL and LOL were like, oh yeah, that takes like a couple minutes max.
No,
No,
okay,
SSL,
so,
SSL
yeah.
takes like 7 minutes and then.
Yeah, SSL is one
LOL
of
is
the
like
longest
5
stages
minutes.
in the game. Yeah, so skip the cap stars, because me and Metal will get those, and then just
Yeah.
go to BBH when you can, I guess. What am I doing? Actually, I needed to do that, never mind.
Oh! Okay. Almost died everywhere. Not bad.
Long jump. Mario, what are you doing?
It's fast mana.
Where's this boo? That what?
Ooh. It's like every second star I'm remembering to do the thing.
Alright, what are we looking like right now? How much do you have in LOL right now?
What do you mean?
How many stars do you have in it? Like, how many do you have
I've
left, I
only got
guess?
the. Oh, I've got 3 more. Oops.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dude, this is.
Um,
I didn't expect this to be disorienting, but. A lot of the time, I like look at the star count to know what I'm meant to do next. I'm like, oh yeah,
And
I have like
then-
48 stars. This is the star's next. And I'm like, oh wait a minute, hold on, this count is all weird.
Okay, Meta, do you want me to come to BBH with you? Because if not, I'm going to HMC, which I can't do.
Yeah, then come to BBH.
Or do you want me to do Vanish? No, too late. Actually, I'm already on my way to BBH. Okay.
What?
So-
What do you mean vanish?
No, don't worry about it.
All right.
I'm about to enter
Go-
BBH for
okay.
100.
Yeah, go ahead and enter star 2.
Okay.
Oh my god, this stage has no lag. This is crazy. This is actually really nice. I'm so fast.
Okay, so if I'm doing BBH, then
Are you done with DDD?
I think, yeah,
Okay.
I'm done with that entire section. I think Barinade does Vanish Cap then.
Vanish Cap is done.
Yeah, oh, okay.
How
well,
do you think you finished
what-
DDD?
Don't worry about it, man. I'm not thinking about it. It's not my job to think about that, so...
Spooky. Oh my god.
So you're like, how'd you grab that star if I didn't have DDD done? Or if I didn't have Vanish done?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, I'm not supposed to... I'm supposed to jump down to Carousel.
Discipline, let's go.
Okay, I'm just about done with Lethal Lava Land, so I'll head to BBH.
I think
I
you'll
picked
be...
it up because...
I'd say exit to Castle on your last star, and you'll just head straight up to upstairs.
Oh, upstairs? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I picked up BBH because I needed something to do.
Alright. So I'll do all of TTM.
Yes. Which is honestly,
This actually should work out well.
it's good it worked out this way because I don't think it would have worked out with the initial route because I don't think I factored in having Fire Seed done before Barinade would have been heading up. I'm in.
I'm leaving.
Alright, and
Oh,
then...
somebody moved the pen.
Exit to Castle, for me, at least.
Yes. And I've just got books.
Okay. So let's see, HMC, I'll do Switch first while you're doing that, and then we'll start 100.
Do floating platform.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab MIPS too, actually.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good catch.
Literally. I'm hilarious.
No, I missed my exit to Castle.
Rip. That's actually a big one.
It's sort of a big one, but also it's still only one door entrance.
True.
Grabbing
And
this
it's
over
just
here.
one hall. That's not horrible. I think they're all bad though.
This is cool. I get to do log bounce. Yay!
Dang, that was my Toad Blizzard. Oh wait, no, I'm
sorry.
grabbing Metal Cap. Never mind. That was your Toad. All right, we're just starting.
Yeah. Obviously.
Like
Yeah,
HMC guys.
Thank you.
See, it's funny. It is like one of the easiest stars for me.
Yeah, no, I'm
I love HMC 100.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, HMC 100 is really fun, but you guys do like some weird bastardized version of it.
Yeah. Basically, I grab everything that isn't HMC 100, and then I just get the 100 coin star because it's there. It's great. None of
credit for all the work. Can't
exactly.
believe it.
Hey, I go to the maze, okay?
Dude, I'm legendary. Let's go.
Oh my, I need that red coin.
It's been a long
Where is he
time
going?
since that eye hasn't shot me. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Alright, I've got 3 left. Ooh, landed on the scuttle. Alright, I'm out.
Alright. So you've got Switch and then the flying platform.
We just be calling it whatever we want these days.
Yeah, I don't know. Platform over the pit. I
Platform over the pit. What are you guys on about?
don't know. Like,
Amazing emergency exit.
yeah.
I don't know the real names of the stars either.
See, I don't like calling it the floating platform or whatever because...
Oh, wait, Christmas Miracle?
What?
Oh, the one that you just did, Meta, right?
Huh?
The one that you... Is it the one that you just did, Meta?
No, I did
Oh,
the
no,
maze
okay,
star.
Blizzard just did.
Yeah, wait.
I did switch just now.
Okay.
Yeah, Switch is Christmas Miracle.
What?
Or it's Christmas Miracle if you get the never mind.
Oh, yeah, I did
I get
the
it.
trick.
The one
Alright,
Blizzard
where am I
just
going?
did. That's a good question.
Yeah, I'm going upstairs.
Yeah. I'd say...
Alright, I'm doing...
Start THI.
Okay. What, start as in do stars by myself or 100?
Do stars by yourself.
Alright, I'm doing
Think
secrets!
about what you've done.
Alright, I'm doing secrets. I'll take it for everybody.
Yeah, think about what you've done. Oh, I got it. Okay, good.
Oh, I was looking forward to secrets.
Wait, was that
Sorry.
supposed to be... Do I still have a star in here?
No,
No.
not in
I'm...
HMC.
I keep forgetting I need to exit course. I need to remind myself.
Yeah, it's weird. I've never needed to exit castle. Exit to castle on that.
Alright, Meta, what am I doing?
You could start 100.
Okay. In THI, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, I've got a Chuck, yeah. Be grabbing him.
Interesting.
I need to rewrite some muscle memory, man. You overwrite the hard drive. Okay, monkey cage. I am exiting.
Also, if you do the monkey glitch, it does not work.
Oh, does monkey glitch not work?
It just does not work.
It doesn't
unfortunately.
seem to. We haven't managed it. Suiji and
try it.
Callie couldn't manage it. You might as
Did they
well
not?
try
Okay.
it. I don't think they
Yeah,
did more than
it's-
one
it's-
run, so it's not like...
They did a couple, but... Alright.
I'll give it
I'm
a
out.
try.
Alright. Dang, we had a lot of coins there.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it's worth trying. I just want to let you know.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay.
what am I doing, Meta?
Can you do more in THI?
Yeah. I can do top.
May want you
What am I
doing
doing after TTM, by the way?
After TTM... where are we? You'll be grabbing the toad, and then going up to TTC. Dude, this Wiggler does not care about me. Hurts my feelings.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, you're right. It doesn't work. That's weird.
I'm gonna grab the piranhas.
Yeah, please do. Dude, I can't.
Okay,
this
this
is
is
gonna be
gonna
Wiggler.
This is gonna be weird.
You know how this game like sometimes doesn't freeze Mario like in place with those text boxes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's why it doesn't work.
I'll leave
okay.
Koopa for bits time. And I'm going to wet try.
Oh, I forget. What did you say I'm doing? I'm at THI.
Yeah.
Okay.
no,
No,
TTC.
TTC. Sorry.
TDC.
Yeah,
Okay.
we did THI because I don't know what happened. I don't.
I don't know what just happened.
Hold on
Hey,
your
30 minutes is-
entrance.
Can I? All right, let me know
This is
when.
Crazy.
Dude, my brain is going 1,000 miles an hour right now, trying to figure out,
me
trying to
know when, Meta.
reroute. You're good.
Alright, let's do this.
Wait, what am I doing?
TTC. Let's see how weird this feels.
Oh!
Oh my god, that star is like impossible to grab. What the hell? I was retrying to do the little like exit thing, but
Yeah.
that's tricky.
Shoot, I didn't plan out where I'm going. Actually, I'm just gonna go and do Koopa. And Blizzard, if you want to go Rainbow Ride.
Okay.
Right, because you wanted to save rest of
Well,
that.
we have Snowman's Land.
Oh, sh-
100 that we have to do. But yeah, I do want to save the rest of this, I think.
Do Box Star in Snowman's Land.
Okay.
That should give me just enough time to finish Koopa. Yeah, a lot of the TTC stars. Why die exit
happened?
course? What am I? I don't know why that was like my muscle memory.
You're saying?
A lot of the TTC ones was where I was using the clicking exit course and then jumping into the star. Just because
Oh,
there's
I
not
get you,
much
yeah.
space to do the side flip. Blizzard, you should be good to start the 100.
Okay.
Hopefully. Assuming I don't, like, die. I was just too in awe of my skateboard, I guess.
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so Barinade's probably gonna be able to do swinging and tricky triangles.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Because
can
he
hold them
TTC is fast, so.
Mm-hmm.
there. You underestimate my ability to die.
Yeah, hey, isn't it? Anything can happen, but. Knowing what meta and I have left, I think that should line up.
Alright, I'm heading over. Barinade, you did grab the toad, right?
Yep.
Alright.
No, this. Oh my god, it's so weird. Is it at least good to get used to the jankiness of this like mod?
Yeah.
Like for some reason Mario doesn't have a shadow on these boxes, which is like really weird.
You know what? I don't even think I
Yeah,
fully
I.
realized that.
Oh, dude, I was gonna have to get extra coins. The Shy Guy and the spinner lined up perfectly. I don't need them anymore. That was awesome.
Nice.
Okay, I'm heading to Rainbow Ride.
Alright.
Barinade, when you're doing Rainbow Ride, make sure to join on a different star than me so that you have the cycle correct for the stars you need.
What the hell are you talking about?
Alright, just don't join on my star.
Don't join on whatever has, like, the Mario head.
Okay.
Or the Luigi head, actually.
Don't join on the one with the Mario head.
This is impossible! There's no shadows on so many surfaces here, why?
Classic be missing Lakitu.
My visual cue.
Meta, what's the plan for Somewhere Over the Rainbow?
Oh, shoot, someone grabbed Toad?
No.
Yeah, I thought you asked
Did?
me.
Oh.
Okay.
I asked for,
okay. I'm gonna. We're
yeah,
gonna
go
do
for it. I was gonna use Toad as my buffer, but...
Oh, I see, okay.
I'm probably gonna miss. Just kidding! Just kidding!
Alright, dude, I'm going.
Book it.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Alright, time to make sure we don't crash here.
Is there a risk of crashing?
Yeah. Alright, you're good.
We think. All right. We think we know what the cause is.
If Blizzard enters the cannon while I'm still talking to the Bob-omb that's opening it, Blizzard will crash when he shoots the cannon.
Oh my god, dude.
Okay.
Goofy mod, man.
Yeah, it does some weird things.
Okay.
Do I have?
Okay.
Let's see.
Get in the.
Skip split. I completely forgot to split on everything.
Hey, that's fair.
Too
We're
many
kinda
things to be
all-
thinking about.
There isn't enough lag.
Dude, yeah, I get that.
I'm a natural at this.
Oh. Yeah,
I haven't played
it's a
enough
weird
regular
man.
Mario to be used to the lag.
Don't worry. After like 1 or 2 plays, I'll get used to it.
You got enough meta?
Yes. I think the world record is like just passing now. They had
Oh,
like
it's not that bad. I feel like there's
36
tons of
something.
room.
Okay, well, I'm grabbing Swinging in the Breeze, because I've got time.
Okay. Honestly, Blizzard, you may be doing bits.
Alright.
And we may have Barinade pivot to wet dry.
Okay.
So be ready. I know you love bits. I know you love Bowser throws.
Listen. It's okay. I just didn't get to do my favorite Bowser stage. It's all good.
Which is your favorite?
Dark World, for sure.
Dark World is a good one.
I love Dark World.
Alright, I'm starting Cloud
The
stage.
Lakitu! This Lakitu sabotaged me!
man.
Barinade, what's left with TTC?
I have 1 star and it's really fast. What am I
Okay.
doing?
After that, go to Wet Dry World. And you'll basically do everything
Yeah.
that isn't hundreds or secrets.
100 secrets and reds are done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm headed to bits, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops.
Oh, I almost got it.
Forgetting.
Alright, it's actually the hardest red coin in the game. Dude. Okay.
Where's my dry world again? Oh, it's here. Okay.
Proclaimed Super Mario 64 speedrunner.
Dude, I'm entering these stages from like angles I've never seen before.
Yo, I did it. I did the thing where you don't lose cap. Or you don't lose, like, the flying mode. Cool.
Oh, in Cloud stage?
Yeah. I've just never managed to not hit the pole.
Yeah, you want to talk about my least
Oh.
favorite star in the game, it's that one. I don't do it, so I don't have a problem with it, but I'm just saying.
That's not too bad. Cloud is alright. It's like a nice kind of breather before the really hard stuff.
Dude, I feel like, I don't know, I'm really bad at Wing Mario on native N64. Or on, like,
Man needs
EMU
to
and stuff.
practice.
I don't know, I guess. I've just always found Wing Mario Over the Rainbow to be the, like, hardest, like, star in the game, casually and kind of speedrunning.
It's
But,
super
like-
fun.
Damn, okay.
I've really enjoyed having it as one of mine.
Dude, I'm glad. Like, I don't want to do it. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I've got the 8th red coin star. I'm about to do throws, so.
Alright.
Actually, this probably is gonna work out now that I'm looking at it.
This is the 1 star that I see meta dying on constantly.
I've started playing it a bit safer, so I don't need to worry about falling there.
All right, we're missing throws today. Good
Um,
day.
Barinade, what's left?
I don't know. Hold on. You said Reds were done?
Yes.
Quick race through downtown. Isn't this Reds?
That's Vanish.
No, that's Vanish.
What else are we
Oh,
missing?
True. You're right. Okay. And one of the star.
How many castle secrets are there?
15.
15.
What are we missing?
Slide 2.
No, I got both slides.
I got
You guys
the
do,
second
you guys do
miss.
aquarium?
Oh boy.
I did do aquarium.
It's okay. I'm missing throws. You guys got
Oh
time.
my god.
Blizzard grabbed that.
I'm like thinking about it, not paying attention.
Okay, man, you gotta figure out the missing star.
Vanish medal. All 3 toads. Let me talk to this toad again. I know Blizzard talks to Toad 1. We grabbed Blizzard. You grabbed Mips. Barinade. You also grabbed Mips, right?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Dude, what?
Barinade. You got Dark World Reds.
Yeah.
Blizzard. You got Fire Sea Reds.
Yep. Dude, what is the last star?
Okay, I'm done with mine.
Dude, what is the last star?
Can you just check? Just have a look at the menu.
Yeah, but it doesn't show you specifics on the castle secrets. It just
Okay, so you know it's a castle secret.
yeah, it just shows we have 14, right?
Yeah, this is 14. What? Okay, Blizzy, did you do reds in bits?
Yeah.
We did reds in Fire Sea and reds in Dark World, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
I did Reds and Fire Sea, and then you did Dark World.
All
Okay.
toads were
We got
grabbed.
all the toads, I think, right? Did you get HMC Toad?
Yeah, Blizzard did.
All right, we
Okay.
got all 3 cap stars.
We got caps, right? Reds for all
Yes.
caps.
Oh, it was slide 2.
It was slide 2.
Oh, was it slide 2?
All right, go ahead.
Oh. Time.
Rip. Sorry, guys. I thought I grabbed that.
You're good. You're good. It was like 42-16, I think.
Yeah, 42-17.
Okay.
Honestly,
Nice.
not bad. Does
Yeah.
that put us at second place?
I think. Yeah. Let me
It's
look.
ridiculous if that's true.
No,
Where are we at?
No.
we're third place by 7 seconds.
That's not bad. By 7 seconds.
Yeah, I mean, we need to cut off 6 minutes.
That's easy.
That's
We
easy.
Made like,
Yeah. No. We're
we
like.
made like 10 minutes of mistakes.
Yeah.
I alone made like a ton of them.
Yeah, I mean, there were probably at least like 5 minutes worth of just menuing things we could fix. I know I missed a couple exit to castles because I just couldn't remember, or the route was different than what I'm used to.
Yeah, I missed like over half of mine, I think. I got them off the pill list.
Routing, yeah, third try pillarless was great. LBLJ ended up, it was a few tries, but it was good.
Yeah, it took a few attempts.
Ended up working
We
out well.
need to give more stars to us in basement
Yes.
and give more stars to Barinade and upstairs.
Yes.
I think.
Yeah, because I don't expect Barinade's TTC to go like that most of the time.
No, that was horrible. There was just a couple things in TTC that threw me completely off. I don't know how I'm gonna adjust to it. Like, one is not that bad. There's like no shadow on the yellow boxes, so my normal visual cue for how to do that triple jump is like completely gone. So I'll probably just practice that. The other thing that's scary is the blue coin switch that you normally like jump to. I like usually
Yes.
time when the shadow is over the top of it, so I can ground pound on top of
Yes,
it. That shadow
yes.
is not on top of that box.
So
Dude, I fell so many times doing
I-
that, dude.
in our
I still
later
got
runs,
first try, but, like,
I
that's
started
scary, man.
I started wall kicking behind it just so I'm facing the right direction. Like wall kicking and then immediately ground pounding, just so I don't, because my problem was Mario would keep moving instead of turning around on that switch.
What do you mean?
In the wait, which we're talking about the TTC.
Yeah, there's only one in there, I think.
Yeah, because it's on like the thin platform by the pendulum.
Yeah.
I always ended up walking off as Mario because he kept moving after the ground pound.
Oh yeah, you gotta give him time to, like, finish his like little landing animation or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
and then he'll move. But that's not too bad. TTC will speed up for sure. I can do more in like Rainbow Ride or something if you want.
Yeah, I could definitely see you having some having Swinging in the Breeze and Tricky Triangles. And then
Or alternatively, I can do some Wet Dry World or something before I go straight to TTM.
well, the thing with Wet Dry World is we save Snowman's Land and Wet Dry World for when someone's in bits, so that we're still grabbing stars and not just sitting around waiting for bits to be done.
Okay, but why not grab the upstairs stars? Or does it
Just because
not
those
matter
are
that much?
harder.
Yeah, mostly just having it being like easy stars, so that we
Yeah.
know the harder stars are done before.
Like I don't want to do Lakitu bounce while somebody's in bits. Like I just
Okay,
don't
I'm
want to
happy
do that.
to do TTC Lost. I don't really mind too much. There's only like
Okay.
a couple hard sections of TTC, which aren't too bad.
Okay. Then we could do. We can clear more wet dry. We could. That would allow Blizzardnide to do.
So am I going to bits then?
I
Is that like
think.
what we're gonna agree on? I'm fine with that. I just
Okay.
want to make sure.
I mean, it depends. That's up to you guys. I don't touch Bowser personally. You know, I kind of have a
He's
turtle
afraid of
phobia.
him.
I am literally okay. I'll put it this way: I'm literally happy to do anything you want me to do. You
Yeah,
gotta
I
tell me
just
what to do.
I will do everything but Cloud Stage.
Blizzy seems to be really good at Lucky to Bounce, so I'm happy for Blizzard to be like the Rainbow Red champion.
That's what he had pointed out. He was like, you know, it kind of looks like Barinade probably struggles with Lakitu Bounce just a bit more.
That's an understatement of the century, yes.
So, yeah. So, and the thing with Rainbow Ride is usually if Blizzard is finishing the first Lakitu Bounce at just the right time with me,